Okay, so if you have one of these things, an air-to-air exchanger, we've got it set up for winter right now. So if I turn this to a higher humidity, hear it click, then it'll turn off. Okay, but this maintenance light's still on. So we gotta go downstairs. All right, so now we're downstairs. This is the air-to-air. The air either goes in or out there, and it goes either in or out over there. So there's these little clips underneath here. Really hard to see in the dark. Like this, see? Pull up on that. That one comes down. Pull up on that. That one comes down. Now these are made out of plastic, so you don't want to fold them any more than you absolutely have to. Does everybody understand? Okay, good. So now I take my hand, because there's like a rubber seal on here. I take my hand on here, I put my fingers underneath this metal piece right here, and I force it open like that. That's why it's always better to turn it off first. There'll be suction in there. So then you hold this up. I'll need some help from my assistant here. Hold this up, shorty. Okay, you got it. And then you can pull this out. There's two filters in here. And you take these upstairs and you rinse them out with water. So there's one right there. Let's put that one down here. And there's one up here. So then you just go and rinse these things off in water, and then you put them back in. So then you're up at the sink. You just take these and you kind of, oops. It's easier to do when you have both hands. You're not trying to take a video. A little bit of an angle. You take the faucet sprayer thing, and just hose the thing down. Get all the dirt and dust and whatever else not out of there. When I get real fancy, sometimes I throw some soap on there. But it's winter, so I don't know. Shouldn't be a whole lot of pollen or any of that other stuff in there. Should just be pretty much just, I don't know, snow. Alright, using warm water so that it's, oh yeah, here's a bunch of stuff here. That's the dirt we're looking at. Looks like there might be some bugs eating it or something too. This is the top one. So hose them down. I'm gonna come back in a minute when I get them all hosed up. So once you have them all rinsed off, and you just kind of make a little sandwich here with dry towels, kind of pat them dry, and then we'll go down and put them back in. All right, so once you come back, now you can open it up. You shouldn't have to push it quite so hard, all right, because it's not suctioned down or whatever. So hold on to the bottom one. That one, you got that one? Okay. So you just slide these things back in. Let me get this one here. Oh yeah, easy to see in the video. That's not right. This must be this way. There's a certain way they have to go. Duh. There we go. I had one there. That one's back in on top. Can you hold on to the bottom there, please? Now this bottom one. Let's see if we can get it. I don't know if they're still a little wet, but they'll dry off. So slide that one back in. And then this little switch here knows, I think that's how it knows when you've at least looked at them. And you close it up, and you got these little clips here again. Pull it back. Not any more than you have to because they're plastic. And then we'll go back upstairs and check it out. So now we're back upstairs, and it must know. So I'm going to turn this back down. What you want to do is trying to see what temperature it is outside. And if it's, let's say, at freezing or a little above 45 degrees. So we're at shooting for about 45, but it's kind of melting out there, so let it run for a little bit and I'll probably turn it back off. So anyway, that's how you reset it. There's also different modes up here. Right now I've got it set on for the humidistat control. This is a continuous, and I think that one's on all the time. I don't know which one of those are. I think I go from this one to one of the other ones. Anyway, that's how you reset the maintenance reminder. Have fun.